Kawan seli ando human daw palisagkan markoto andiar konsekala. Amen.
Ke a botsa bagolo gore na la go re thusa ha go le jwang ka go bana rona ra bula re sa sebetsa re tshwere ke di-threat re dula mo mekhukhung mara ho timato ke ya rona ke na le target ke na le everything mara ha ke thoke thuso nowhere.
Usasekhona uze babasokuxhumanisana nama-social worker yazi ngizubhlungu kabi yazi ukuthi ngihlala kude yazi bengazi adoptela wena yazi ngeke ngikususela ngiyokuhlalisa kwenye indawo uthi ubaba uyibhoda uyahlukumezeka uyalamba ubaba akasebenzi ngena nje la ukhulume nalo yasisiwe bazokuherezela somewhere umsebenzi. Mama uvi lo okhale ngokuthi uyagula kepha akanandlu uhlala emkhukhwini whilst indlu yakhe ihlezi umuntu ngaphakathi angazomhambile na usesekhona yebo uhlale udinga abantu mama please ngicela ungahambi ungabonananga ngokhansela so that azobona isimo la uhlala khona mama ngithi ngize kule ndaba ye-library mama khanya soba ngempela nangimela nangifika ngithola ukukhula lungaka nangibuza labo uyibona abaqashiwe ukuthi hawo ifurniture ikhona ama-bookshelf akhona ugesi ukhona kwenze njani bathi abana occupation certificate umasipala akakabanikezi kangangoba basakhiyele iy'ncwadi sizamileke sihleze emafonini safuna abantu ukuthi kanti iphi bathi no-electrician yiyo ebabambezele eyingalazange lethi certificate sabo ingabo umasipala akakakhiphi i-occupation certificate. Ngiyakuthembisa-ke mama, I'm putting my head on the block. Yaza nangithi ngibeka ikhanda lami ngilibeka apha ulinqamule le nyanga lezathwasa le uwe ozobe uhlezi lapha uthi bana basikolo
ngabokhala uJehova wakho uzokunqobela
nangiphethwa-ke bomama nabo baba ngithanda ukungikhuthaza ukuthi masisebenzisaneni.
My only concern is we do not have recreational facilities. The facility that we are in here is very limited.
So it's a social movement against substance abuse. But if and make sure our kids don't do these drugs, it means we'll have a better nation. Kausani kibona batshwantse ba hole ba hlokomele rona empa se re iphumana ele rona ya tshwantse re hlokomele bana ba.
Isicelo sami mina bengajabula mabengasenzela imobile yamaphoyisa or ukuthi sibe nawo ngoba khona manje sinabantwana bethu abafuna ukwenza mhlawumbe bafuna kuyo-certifya uthola ukuthi manje labantwana kukude le eKagiso ayikho imali.
So ngamanye amazwi sicela ama-partnership nani whether namasonto nama-NGOs nama-FBOs nama-NPOs namasonto nama-SGB noma umphakathi nje as a whole, because it is you who live in this community.
Kunamaphupho lapho ongekho khona abantu ongahlala ongenzonga khona amatende ukusuka lapha phambi kwelibrary kunamaphupho ukufika enzansi emhlangeni kuyesola phe kunamaphupho akunabantu yonke lo ndawo leyo.
Nangabe kune-pothole singayiripoti i-pothole izodabula amavili wemoto yakho. And sasiyazi-ke nanokuthi yini into ebangela ama-pothole. Angithi sithanda ukuhloma amatende siwafake phakathi kwestrata. Na ufaka le nsimbi uyikokotela laphansi iqala lapho ivula imoto nasekulokuni imvula kaso imvula ziyawugubha kakhulu amanzi lawo.
Nna ke consent ka taba ya bana ba etsang Setsonga from Patrick Mashego ha ba ya tshwantse ba ya high school a gona Setsonga bo thatulwazi khona no pula yana they are no longer going to school because of bataba di floods mo tseleng go ya Kagiso. So ke ne kopa MEC go etse something go tlisa matitjhere a rutang setso ka mo high school.
Ra itse MEC gore since o butse library ka December no yana ke ntse ke thusa bana ka di homework kwa ka mo ileng gore the house will be full ke bana re etsa di homework and they always ask me a question ya gore kante a usilebo ka gore library e butswe ene ga e sebetse go etsagalang.
Ke a botsa bagolo gore na la go re thusa ha go le jwang ka go bana rona ra bula re sa sebetsa re tshware ke di-arthritis re dula mo mekhukhung mara ho thimato ke ya rona ke na le ke na le everything mara ha ke thole thuso nowhere ile legal aid le hona ho a tshwana ha ba no thusa 8 years ka ho feta se ke khathetse baholo ha ke tsebe gore na ke ka yore ke thole thuso ha ke na tšhelete ya di-lawyer ha ke bereke.
Sibonga kakhulu bahlali ngemibono yenu nama-advise ezinye zibuhlungu nanizikhuluma apha.
I don't remember somebody who does not have an ID ethola indlu. I-question efuneka sizibuze yona also as community members uba anomnika indlu. Banomnika indlu.
Abanye ke wena ngeke sithi abantu abadala bastoti mara sizosho sithi bastoti. Siyabanika izindlu. Ajike ayithathe ayithengise aphindele ayowakha emaTotombeni futhi. Nawe uthi uyabuza athi nithi ngihlala endlini mina ngizohlala.
Bona ke pa extension 5 landa bethetha ngayo bathe begqiba zifumana especially young people. Mayigqiba ifumana iyarentisa. Yena uyabuya uyolala ekitchen kokwabo. Makaqeda apha bona ukuthi sekumnandi ekitchen athi no ansarentisi ngathengisa. Then udibane nayo seyi-ownwa by somebody onga understanding nenye language kwesisithethayo la ekuhlaleni. So uthi mona ukujongi hey manje dumela that how do we next but he's an owner of that house.
Isikolo sethu siqale ukuvulwa ngo-2008 ngoMarch and it's incomplete up to now. I-sports complex asikho, i-ground, soccer ball, i-soccer field, ibhampi, abantwana bakwazi ukuthi bangadlala kuyo.
Yamanje abahlala emithini amaphoyisa angavela funeka bahlala amaphoyisa babajonge bafaka izinto eplastikini or ebhokisini basifake kumngcono engathi yi-surity phaya kuthi xa liza yabahlezi nje kanti babonisa utwana into ze-sex bandihlukumeza kabi laba.
So uma ngabe we know of such elements, it's up to us to educate one another and be able to fight crime.
Yabona xa ubhatala ibond uthi noba into ziyamoshakala funeka uthule ngoba ungakhutshwa kwesi situlo yawulala awuzukwazi ubhatala.
But impilo namhlanje seyishintshile, asisazwani sixatshaniswa nabantwana. Mntanakho ashayo wami uphume nami sengifinqa wamarobo ngizongithola kahle ntakwakho lo ushaya ingane yami. But sithi uma ngabe sibekezelelana sizokwazi ukuthi sakhe a better community and a better nation and get rid of nyawupe lehlezi emphakathini yethu. Abantwana bethu bayaphela nya baqedwa ile nyawupe. Sihlezi sisonge izandla sibukele. Nakuza kulento ye social cohesion bakwethu inkinga yokucwasana ngokwebala nongobuhlanga taba ya gore re shebelane fatshe gore utswa kantle kwa kwale that are also added by problems ze xenophobia. Ke taba tsa gore tshwantse singalo sizenza. We are in one country. I-continent lethu i-one.
Uba ngaba sithi ziseliratong sazi uba iliratong asitsholo abantu basekagiso ngoba bakufitshane neliratong. Sineke kufuneka sitsholo abantu base-Westland.
We are in one country.
Kufuneka siye phaa ngaseprison sithi la mhlaba ngowabantu baseMzantsi Afrika siyakha apha. Funeke siye ngaserenkini basithi ikufitshane netransport yabantu siyakha apha eKrugersdorp behind the town hall. Hayi ngowuthatha ngodlini sawuthatha ngomthetho. xa usemthethweni mos adingeka uba usebenzisa inkani funeka umthetho uwusebenzise ube yinkani yakho to take it so that ingabikho abantu bethu abalimalayo ne because every time kuthiwa kuthathwa umhlaba ngenkani abantu abalimelelwayo abantu bethu African people abanye abalimalele ii-references bekuthethwa ngazo apha zecontract zityobozela abantu bethu azityobozi kwelaa cala lingaphaya so we don't need to take the land in that way but masiyithathe ngomthetho umhlaba ownwa ku-government mayibe ngumhlaba onikwa abantu endiqalela amahla
because igebengu sihlala ngaphakathi kwethu they know our lifestyles bayazi ukuthi wena ulala ungakhiyanga or wena ukho usaye ekoloni noma usaye esontweni
40,000 households must spend 500 each. We're talking between 24 to 30 million. It's on allegation. So go MEC mine. And what we call buying power, besides political power and buying power. And if government got to protect the only power gets our bargain for stake in the economy or national.
Uba ufair vote angavuka angasmile and go back to the grave smiling. You know what?
They make money out of Rona. Vicious cycle as well. And until Rona the community, I'm talking to the community, until Rona the community understand the language about the economy will go at home. 50 years old, we are same language. So it's up to us. It's not buying power. Let us find a way of buying power anything within Rift Valley.
If you're interested, because into Saudi Arabia, Raduka, Mona Batore, Tajang Haris, I had that information. So the people are very blessed because the next thing about since about what I think in Toronto is Africa.
Now your number is 500,000 is 45490. The SMS number leyo ne u SMS ufake igama lakho ne-surname yakho ebese uyasho ukuthi ungakuphi angithi sis khona waseSoweto khona waseKagiso khona usho indawo la ungakhona ebese uyasho ukuthi ngiphase ugrade 12 ngiphase ngimfuthenye siphasa EPR or ngipase imarketing or ngipase yabona webasho ukuthi yini leyo oyiphasile that is the highest damage enye le nama hashtag is *120* 874373 hash ngiyaphinda futhi *120*874373 hash ekugcineni futhi le number le enzeka so angithi and thank you very much ukuthi ithi noma iweather imbi kangaka kuthiwa it's a weather yokuthi sifike phakathi kwengubo silale sifudumale nina niphume ngobuningi benu lithwe kakhulu abantu na ukuthi niphume nizozwa ukuthi uhulumeni usiphathele kuphi umphako manje danke nyabo bana basikolo tomsikolo uzazifiala ding dong pele bana basikolo tomsikolo bayabonakala bangayanga esikolweni uzazifiala ding dong pelele ngoba umama uthi unceda abantwana ngama-homework wakhe. I don't see any reason why mama ngaphiwa ispace lapha e-library to be able to help many children do their homeworks lapha e-library. Danke nyabo.